大家好，我叫何正国，我们是 JHK 字幕组，一个公益的志愿者组织。下面这个视频是我在英国的房东家的后花园拍摄的。房东在后花园挂了喂鸟器，迎来各种各样的鸟来光顾，有山雀、喜鹊、金丝雀、鸽子、麻雀。我们给视频加上字幕，但愿对大家的英语学习有所帮助。视频中有个 nuts N-U-T-S 的双关语，大家能体会其中的幽默吗？
Those two birds are different
and
colors.
And the top one is called a green finch. That one just flew away. There's a green finch.
And the one still eating there is...
I think that's a blue tit.
Blue tit.
It's similar to the great tit, but it has not got the black stripe on its front. So the one at the top has...
One on the top? Let me see where it is.
Oh no, are they blue? They're tits.
Okay.
Oh yes, it's got a black stripe down the front. The minute it's got a black stripe down the front, it's a great tit.
Black stripe. The one right there
it's there, like a tie.
Oh,
it's gone. Hello.
It's so active. Oh yes, I can see that. I don't see. Oh yeah. I see the tie. The stripe.
Yes,
on its neck.
Yes, the bottom one has a tie.
The bottom one here.
Yes.
Okay.
There are
three now.
Yes, they obviously love my nuts. They won't stay still. It's because they're little ones. Yes, you see, it was feeding it. It's obviously a parent and little ones. And you can see they've got a bit of a tie.
Let me check. Okay, look close.
Not very big.
Zooming. Oh yes.
I think when they're older,
I see the tie again.
When they're older, it becomes much more bigger, pronounced. Bigger and pronounced. And these, I think, some of these are just young ones.
So they are called tits, not finch. Tits.
Tits.
T-I-T.
T-I-T. Great tits have the tie, the black stripe, and blue tits have got a bluish, some bluish bits.
Okay, when the
see, black. That's a black. It has a black cap, black top of head, and the black tie. Great tit.
Okay, let me see.
And they're nice little birds to have in your garden, because they.
So the finches have just gone, and they may come back.
Well, yeah. Well, I don't know.
Okay.